Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to use funnels and ClickFunnels as a real estate agent. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go down to the description section to start your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section as well, so make sure you check those out. So let's jump right in. We're going to talk about how to use funnels and ClickFunnels as a real estate agent and for realtors. And so right here, I have a funnel. So now if you don't know what a funnel is, it's basically a series of landing pages to help guide your customer to do a certain action like opting in or buying something from you. And so we have this two-step funnel right here. So we have an opt-in page and then a thank you page right here. So I'm just going to walk through the strategy of it and then also walk through this funnel as well. And if you want a copy of this funnel, there's a link down in the description section that all you have to do is click on the link. And then if you already have a ClickFunnels account, you could just import it straight into your account. And if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, then it'll ask you to start your free trial and then you could download it inside your account. So let me preview this. Now, this type of funnel is called a lead squeeze funnel. And the idea is you provide something of value in exchange for a customer or a prospect's email address or contact information. So this is the opt-in page of the funnel. And this is for an ebook called The Home Selling Blueprint, How to Sell Your Home Fast and for Top Dollar. So I have this ebook mock-up right here. And the idea is that people would be interested enough where they would input their email address right here, and then they would click this button to get the guide. Now, I don't actually have the ebook here, but basically the idea is you would take your existing ebook that you would have, you would change out the image right here. So you would have your ebook mock-up, and then you could easily change the title up here at the top. And it's super simple, basically one call to action, input their email address, and then click the button, and then they would get the guide. So that's the opt-in page. Now let's go back to our ClickFunnels account. And then if we go down here, this is the thank you page. So after someone opts into that page and clicks the button, they're going to go to this page right here. So let's click preview. And this is the thank you page. So there's a few steps that people would follow. So the first one is downloading the free ebook. So they could click right here on this button, and then it'll take them to a link where they could download the guide or the ebook. And down here, this is step 2, which is book a free consultation. Now, maybe there's people that have opted in that are ready to start talking to you about selling their home. And so this is a great opportunity to basically get them to the next step in the journey where you would give them the free ebook and then book a consultation and then carry on that discussion. Now, if we scroll down here, we do have some testimonials where you could easily change this out to your testimonials right here. So with the name and then a little message about how awesome you are. And then down here below, this is what's next. So maybe they're not ready to book a call, but they're ready to kind of keep researching and figuring out what they actually want or need. So this is for 3 different sections. So for buyers, for sellers, and for leasing. So like renting. And then if you click on these buttons right here, this would take you to different sections of your website. So you could easily swap out the link for these buttons. Now, the one thing that I want to note is the backend automation that occurs. So let's go back to my ClickFunnels account, and then let me show you that. So this icon right here, this is what's called a workflow or the backend automation. So if we click on it, this is for a real estate free guide, and this is the funnel. And so there's a few things that happens here. The first thing that happens is when someone opts into the funnel, they get a tag associated with it. So the reason being is you want to make sure that you segment your customer list. And so with this one, this is to segment those that have opted into this seller guide. And then if we go down here, this is the email. And that's one thing that I love about ClickFunnels. It's an all-in-one marketing platform. So not only will you be able to build your site and your funnel inside ClickFunnels, but also too, you can send emails here as well. So with this one, if we click edit email, it takes you to this email right here. And this is where you could easily change out the content inside this email, change out the link right here to have your link in your ebook. And then this is where you could put in where to book a free consultation. And then you can also change the footer section as well to be your real estate firm and then also your name as well. And so this is just one of the ways that you could use funnels for your real estate business and use it as a real estate agent and realtor. And if you have questions about how to use this funnel or how to import inside of your ClickFunnels account, feel free to reach out to me or comment below, and I'd love to help you out.